Hi, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will be learning how to apply eyelashes. So stay tuned. Okay, so today I am going to be using the PUR Pro Eyelashes 3D. And this is in the name Diva. I got this at Ulta. And I am going to be using this glue. It is from Tarte. It is called Tarteist Pro. I'm almost done with it. I've tried a couple of them, like the ones from your drugstore, like Pro, and I don't prefer them. It takes a while for them to get tacky. This one gets tacky right away. So what you want to do is get your lash, apply the glue, wait about like 30 seconds, more or less. I already went ahead and applied the glue before I started this so I can get as tacky as I can. This one, I like it because it goes in white, and then when it turns tacky, it looks a little bit bluish. So this is when I know that it is ready to apply to the eye. So what we want to do is look straight. Well, you guys will kind of see me, but look straight. Go ahead and cut the ends. There's usually like a little extra piece of wire or the lash line. Just cut that off. Not the mink lashes, but like that little tip at the end. And also beforehand, go ahead and before you apply any glue, go ahead and apply it on your eye to make sure that it is not too long, because some of you might have smaller eyes. We all have different eyes, and do cut part of the eyelash mink with the wire. So what I like to do is first just place it in the middle. Make sure you get your skin, because if it goes on your eyelashes, that's when it's hard to pull off. Look to the side, make sure it's all the way at the end, and push it in, push it towards your skin one more time. Look inside. In my case, I'm going to continue looking this way, and also apply it. Just push it in as much as you can. I know I make it look simple, but I'm telling you, practice is key when it comes to applying your eyelashes and allowing the glue to get very tacky. So once again, with this one, I think I cut it a little too small for my eye. Oh, you see? I applied it to my eyelashes. That's why I was moving too much instead of my skin. And you'll feel it once you'll feel it once it's in your skin. So keep on pushing in. The inside, they also do sell these applicators. I think this side I have to go like this. They also do sell some applicators. They say it's easier. I need to buy them so I can soon, maybe it is easier to apply, because sometimes my fingers do get stuck with the glue. What I like to do as well is just get my eyelashes and these fake eyelashes and pinch them together, kind of push them into my skin. And I think we are good to go. If you guys have any questions, please go ahead and comment down below. But remember, practice is key. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish this look by adding some bronzer, and I'm good to go. I will be using my NARS in the color Laguna. I seriously really love this color of bronzer. So I will definitely be purchasing this. If you guys have any eyeshadow palettes that you love or you want me to see use, go ahead and comment down below as well. So that way I can make a little bit more looks for you girls. I will soon also start adding cooking into this channel. I like to go to this restaurant called Fo's. I really do love that restaurant. in brown. So I haven't found one over here in Harlingen that's great, like Chinese food. But I'm still on the lookout. Same thing with tacos. I cannot find anything in Harlingen, in the Harlingen area where they sell good tacos like in Brownsville. But if you guys know any, also just put any recommendations down below. I would greatly appreciate it. I think I'm almost done with this look. I am just gonna add some lip liner and some lip balm. Then I like to take some off because then I put my lip liner. I'm gonna go in with a nude. Okay. How have you girls been doing? I have some news as I finish doing my lip. By the time I post this up, actually today, Friday the 5th, I have my first appointment with a psychologist, so that way I can just fully just get rid of everything that I have going on in my life. Thank you all for those of you who have been messaging me back, sending me a little comment, inspiration, motivation. I really, really appreciate it. And so yeah, I'll tell you guys by next video how that is going. And yeah, let's finish all this lip. So for this week's Real Talk, I want to say a little bit of what happened maybe last week. I went to my local HEB here at Harlingen, and I noticed this cashier that he always he first attended me, and I noticed that he was feeling or looking very down. And I had already noticed it for the last 2 trips that I go to HEB. I go at least once a week. So this time I felt like, okay, I need to tell him that the first time I, moved into Harlingen, that he was the first one who had a big smile on his face and was welcoming me to Harlingen. And I went ahead and did that. And his persona changed. He was not looking down anymore. Just like, okay, let's go. I understand. I worked retail. Customer service is crazy. But that lifted his spirits up. He was just like, wow, thank you. So now every time I go, I always say hi to him, or I always just line up where he's at, and he's always so now smiling. So that is also my my assignment for this week. Don't stay with those nice comments. I know we all think of them like somebody cheering you on. Just go ahead and let them know how they're appreciated or how much they impacted you in a certain time of your life. It will change them, because just as you are going through maybe something that person motivated you, they are as well. So I am encouraging you guys to say something nice this week to somebody who has impacted you in your everyday or even through social media. Don't keep that in. Let them know. I'm pretty sure you're going to make their day. And who knows, you might be one of those that somebody reaches out to. Well, anyways, you guys have a great week. I'll see you guys next time, and blessings.